Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to get XRP address in Trust Wallet. In order to get your XRP wallet address in your Trust Wallet, open up your Trust Wallet application. Once your Trust Wallet has been opened up, where we have the search icon, use the search icon to simply search for XRP. Once you search for XRP, I'm going to be explaining a couple of things now. The XRP token exists on multiple networks, such as the native XRP network. We have the XRP on the BNB Smart Chain, we have XRP on the Solana, and we have XRP on the Beacon chain. These are the few chains that support the XRP token. Now, the XRP token we are going to be focusing on is the native XRP, which is simply known as Ripple, where you have to pay a one-time fee. That is, to activate the network, the XRP network, you have to pay a one-time fee of 10 XRP on your wallet address in order to activate it. So guys, now in order to get the address you're activating, simply click on the receive option and you'd find your XRP wallet address here, which you could easily scan the QR code to obtain, or you could use the copy icon to simply copy this wallet address onto your device and then use it to receive some tokens. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.